The town of Moscow holding a Christmas ceremony and remembering the 4 college students killed last month. Along with the university, this small town has been deeply impacted by the deaths. Cole Dillon's family owns this coffee shop.
We actually changed our schedule to make sure there was always 2 people here at once.
As the town prepares for Christmas, the mood is somber.
Was there like a sadness too?
Yeah, for sure. Like, just really sensitive around here of like what we talk about, like even jokes that we make being like, oh, that's not the joke to make right now.
Police have asked for the public's help finding a white Hyundai Elantra, similar to this one, they believe was near the house around when the murders were committed.
Why is this vehicle of interest?
Thanks to these tips and leads, we know that vehicle was there. So the occupant naturally is someone we want to talk to.
Since day one, the brutal stabbings have attracted the attention of self-styled internet sleuths. Hashtag Idaho murders on TikTok has around 300 million views.
This key component that they just released. Okay?
Since she started posting about the case, TikToker London Sherman has gained some 125,000 followers.
We're viral, and I think that everyone needs to be talking about this, but when you talk about this, it needs to be talked about factual.
Like the 2021 case of Gabby Petito, London says this mystery has struck a chord with young people.
A lot of people can relate to these young lives that literally had the world at their feet. They were about to begin their lives, and then it happened that.
London says she's careful not to repeat anything that hasn't been verified by police or professional reporters, but many others aren't as cautious. On Reddit threads and Facebook groups, some with more than 60,000 members, wild speculation can spread rapidly, forcing police to put up a rumor control page to try to debunk misinformation. A frustrating waste of time and resources with a killer still at large.
Well, Steve, there's still so many questions that need answering, including there was a long window, hours of time from when the victims left that frat house and then they arrived home. And those 2 places are close by. Have police addressed that yet?
Yeah, Hoda, this is one of the biggest question marks in all of this. Police are describing a 5-hour window for what amounts to a 2-minute walk. I walked it, so I posed that question to the officer. Unfortunately, the answer is that it is under investigation, but you can tell investigators hope it is one of these key pieces of the puzzle that they're trying to fit together to move this forward.
Yeah, 5 hours. That's a lot of time to track. All right, Steve, thank you so much.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.